Alright, so I'm gonna do a quick ass tutorial since I have some time in between my appointments. I'm gonna use 2 of the products I got out of my BoxyCharm box, and the first is gonna be these Luxie brushes. I'm probably not gonna use this one, but I'll use these 2. And then I'm gonna use this Butter London palette. It looks like this, super neutral plain colors, and I'm literally just gonna do something super plain. And now that I look at it, I need to grab one more palette. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'll stop and talk through this a little bit, but not too much. So all right, so I'm gonna prime my eyelids with this Jeffree Star concealer. This is in the shade C19. This isn't my concealer highlight shade, but this is basically my skin tone. So we're just going to swipe and swipe. All right, so I'm just gonna take my finger and blend this out real quick. And if y'all didn't know, I love using concealer as a primer. If I'm working with super bright colors, I'll use a paint pot, but the fuck is this? Some glitter. Anyways, but yeah, so I'm just gonna use this concealer real quick. And I left my camera at home, so I'm gonna be doing tutorials on my video plus or my phone, so it's easier to like film. Anyways, I mean, like, record and edit, it's faster. All right, so that's blended out. I'm gonna take this Blue Blood Jeffree Star palette and I'm going to dip into this Celebrity Skin shade right here. I'm gonna place that in my crease. So I'm gonna take this Luxie 250 large blending brush and I'm just gonna dip in here. I'm gonna take Enchantress. Yeah, Enchantress from this palette, and let's see how it looks. Like this. Let's see, swatch it. Looks like that. Let's do Swatch Diva. Looks like this. Ooh. And then let's do Queen. Looks like this. What do y'all think? I think I'm just gonna go with Enchantress still. This brush is small, but fuck it, we gonna take this. So we're gonna dip into Enchantress. Blah, 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 blah. Da, da. The D-Slick by Urban Decay. Okay, that's a lot better. Okay, so I'm gonna do some liner with the Fenty Fly Liner. And then I'm also gonna put these lashes on. And I'm gonna use this Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and then I'll be back. Bye. Okay, so now that I got my lashes on, I used this Marc Jacobs Fine Liner Ultra Skinny Gel Pen, and in my waterline underneath the lashes. That's what really makes your lashes pop and blend together a lot easier, is when there's no type of negative space right there. Even if you have your lashes very close to your lash line, you should still use a black liner. Now this is the best black eyeliner I've ever found. Like, it literally does not move. And then I used the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced to blend my lashes, which I mean, I barely have any lashes, but still. All right, so I have a water softener. I got some salt delivered and they were late, so I'm just going to whiz through my face routine. So I'm really not going to talk about anything, but I will list all products in the comment section. So excuse me. Here we go. And now.
the car, Mom.
Ooh.
Oh, Mom,
Okay, watch out. You almost got hit with the car.